just started talking in my mic when I didn't even have this on. Okay, trade recap. Really small day. Like today was an interesting day, man. At first, I was looking for Asia to get taken out. See, I traded this London move here. I traded it on my eval here, which I'm gonna explain that it's only a initial balance because I kind of fucking crashed. I wouldn't say I crashed out yesterday. I just got chopped up, and I didn't really give a fuck about the size of the trades I took on this account. But basically, I don't know what's going on, bro. Like, look at this, man. I took some trades on both accounts here. Pretty much made what I lost back from yesterday, which is I'm really happy about. That's the bare minimum I could do. Yesterday was stupid. I mean, I was up like 400 in the morning, but I don't know why I was trading the afternoon, bro. Like, I don't normally trade the afternoon, and I don't know why I was doing it because afternoon was fucking ass. Like, this should have been an easy long, and I was up here trying to long it, and it was just chopping around, and it eventually went down. Like, it was just fucking stupid as hell. All right, basically. Um, so yeah, no, we had this price just kept dropping and dropping. I was waiting for price up here. I was like, okay, maybe we can take this low out here, you know. But then price just started moving aggressive again. I was really tempted on taking this short here because it was like up here. Yeah, I mean basically we got a big ass SMT up there. I was trying to see how this candle will form if it would wick this low. I was like, okay, if we wick this low here, we're probably gonna go back up because I was still bullish at that point, you know, because we had clear Asian highs up there. It was gonna look like this if I was gonna short it and just target this low here. But then price didn't do that. I was like, oh fuck. At this point, I already knew for a fact we were gonna take out this low here, so I was looking for trades here. It was like here, pretty much took this trade here. It's a really trash trade, but I wanted to make back my drawdown because I was in drawdown at that point because I got in right here. It was a really shitty ass entry, and I was like, yeah, nah, let me close this shit before it gets worse. But eventually it did go to the target, but yeah, I mean it wasn't really for shit though, you know. But yeah, basically I just took those trades, man. That's all I took really. And I took this trade to where was it? Which low? I think it was this low, yeah. To this next 4 hour low. These white lines. Okay, these white lines are just my liquidity lines, as you can see. So we took that low. I was like, okay. I don't think I took a trade from here to here. Let me see. Oh, I guess I did. Yeah, I took a trade there, small win. Wasn't real. A lot of the trades today wasn't really shit risk reward wise, but there was logic there. I don't just take trades just to take a fucking trade. So and then like if you look at this in a 1 minute, there's really not much you can go off of here. But price is so aggressive, bro. It's so aggressive that there is gonna be trades there. You just can't see it in a 1 minute because it's happening so fucking fast. Shit is happening so fast. You know where to go to. You go to the second time frame. I don't like to go to the second time frame because if you can't see it in a 1 minute, I don't really like to push it too much. But price is moving so aggressive and we have clear liquidity that I could go to. I was like, okay, let me see what's going on here. I mean, basically, what was that? Let me change this color here because this was gonna be the shit that I was gonna be going after here. We had SMTs here. I was like, yep, I'm gonna get in. Boom, get in. Just get out real quick. It was a really quick trade right here, as you can see. It wasn't really much points wise. 1704. Actually, that's not bad at all. It's like 11 points. No, actually, no. 13 points. So yeah, I got in for 17 to 4. Yeah, pretty much like up here. And then yeah, that's about it for these accounts. Then like after that trade, I was like, oh shit, completely forgot about my eval. I was like, okay, let me hop on it. We had a next target here. Fucking, hold on, right here. As you can see, I took that long there. Kind of took a couple losses from there. But as you can see, shorted This one happened so fast, bro. Like I entered a short because it was still fucking bearish as hell. I knew for a fact we were probably gonna take out these lows at that point. I entered that shit and it happened so fast. I was like, what the fuck? And I closed that bitch. And then, okay, I said, oh shit. And okay, the next one. Next one was here. I was in the 15 seconds for that one. What did I exit at? 119. So yeah, it was like from here. I entered. Yeah, I think I know where I entered at. I entered like right here, somewhere here. The hard stopping could be up here, but I didn't see a reason why price would go all the way up there at that point. Because for me, I was like, okay, if we close this in, I'm gonna close the trade. But at that point, if that did happen, I probably would have got stopped out. Like stopped out from daily loss limit. But no, it didn't happen. Because price is extremely aggressive, man. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna just take that shit. And that's about it, bro. I mean, I don't really see anything else here. To me, this is risky as fuck. Price is, NQ is so low compared to ES. And looking at how this candle formed right now, we don't have a wick at the moment. So if we're going to continue lower, take out these lows here, I want to see a wick first, at the very least. Then we can drop it here. Take these off, man, because we already took these. And yeah, pretty much got my account out of drawdown. So there's that. I mean, not the best. Not the best trades, but like I said, the logic was there. So, take advantage of what I can get, right? But yeah, we're not really that much into prop. Oh yeah, and also bought one here. Whoa, 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 whoa! What the fuck? Why was that still there, bro? This is what I don't like about Tradeovate, bro. Like, why the fuck was that? Was that fucking position still there, bro? Like, that's crazy. I would have got fucked right there. That was like a buy stop. Yeah, I would have got fucked right there, man. I don't know what the fuck that Tradeovate is on, bro. Yeah, shit. I don't really see much else here, man. Like I said, it's too risky. We already ran down so much. We probably gonna take this low. But like I said, when you got no wick, bro, I need that wick. Give me a wick, and then maybe I could look for a short. Got an SMT here at the moment. It ain't gonna be shit. It's probably gonna get violated. But yeah, this is we can take this out, give us a wick, and then we can drop it back down. Dang, that's 70 points. What the fuck? It don't even seem like a lot, bro. This whole hour, bro, we dropped down 200 points in a span of 30 minutes. Crazy. Is there something? Because I don't see no news here. No, I got it filtered to only the red folder because all the other shit don't really matter. Let's see. Ain't shit, bro. So I don't know what caused that. Maybe Trump said something, but that's all I could think of. But yeah, pretty much what I'm looking for right now. Shit, look at this. Close these in. So probably going on here. Yeah, basically, give me a retracement, and then we can drop it down. Other than that, for me to long this, I don't have clear targets for longs. Obviously all the way up here, but what's the likelihood of price doing that? Especially right now. We need a significant move up. Then give me a move down, and then we can run it back up. But for now, it's gonna be something like this. And I don't really see one right now. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Today was interesting, man.